So we're making over a tween boy room. So we have this really cool silhouette channel paneling on the wall, which is a really modern take to the VJ panel. So it's going to give this room a really nice profile and textural element. The colours are chosen to give it a calming vibe, so we're going with a darker green, and we're going to paint this VJ panel half wall, but also another wall in the room as well, to give it some depth and to make it feel like it's a nice calm space, but a cool one that, you know, a tween boy can hang out with his friends in. So the first thing we're going to do today is prime and prep. You know, that's the basis of any good paint project. We're going to fill holes, we're going to caulk gaps. This trim here in particular is a metal trim. Most commonly you will find timber trims over the top of VJ panels, but the builder here has used a metal trim, so we're using a particular primer to go over that before we can paint our top coats. We'll also be priming this paneling here as well, because it's pre-primed, but pre-primed doesn't mean it's primed for paint. And then we'll be going in with our top coat too. We'll also be giving the existing walls a freshen up, so that is a Dulux Snowy Mountains Quarter white paint. So we'll go through and be painting those as well, but this is a fun one.